guys, so today I'm going to go get my teeth whitened. I go to a location located in the Bronx, so I wanted to show you guys a before of how my teeth look before I get there. That's how they look. Don't mind that blister. It's a fever blister. As you can see, they're not that yellow, but they're also not white. So it's not my first time getting it done. I always go to this location. One, they're affordable, and two, you see a major difference. Like you see 7 shades lighter to your teeth right after you get them whitened. So that's why I always like going to them. So I'm gonna give you guys more details when I come back and then show you guys the after. Bye. So this is what the room looks like. It's a small room. You'll be here by yourself just relaxing. You will sit in that chair. Yeah, so when she comes I'll explain more. So this is a timer here. She sets it up for an hour, but if we need more time, she always gives more time, and it's not additional money if it's more time like other places. It's one set price. So
keep your mouth open.
So she's gonna put a retainer in my mouth to keep my mouth open.
And we're gonna check the color of your teeth now.
And she's going to check the color of my teeth, so just so that she can tell me how much lighter it's going to be. So when I put the retainer on, I won't be able to talk, so I'm just gonna show you guys how I look afterwards.
So this is vitamin E for the gums and the lips. This is just to protect the gums from the peroxide and the bleaching gel. Sometimes the gums do get slightly irritated just for a couple of hours after the teeth whitening. You doing it? All right, so the bottom teeth, they're 2 different colors. Your top teeth are lighter than your bottom teeth. Your bottom teeth, I'll give it a 24. The top teeth, you do have stains in the teeth, which is our calcium deposits. Those are white stains in your enamel. Bring out your forward, your top teeth. The top teeth, I would give it, I'm looking at the yellow, not the white, a 16. So top is 16 and bottom is 24. Okay. This is the bleaching gel. The bleaching gel is to go on the teeth. It's gonna feel kind of minty. Open up a little bit. The saliva is totally safe to swallow. It just tastes like a little bit like toothpaste. Just make sure you're always swallowing here and there, because you won't notice if your mouth gets full. So teeth whitening works only on natural teeth. If you have caps and crowns, it's not gonna whiten those. Even though we still apply the gel on it, it'll make it a little radiant, but not whiter. But it's totally safe. It's not safe if only if you're using this. Our gel is 16%. More than that is a little bit unsafe. This is more vitamin E just for your lips. Okay? Your lips are comfortable there?
Mm-hmm.
if you feel a little comfortable, because of this, you can close this like this, not all the way, just a little bit, just to relax your muscles in your mouth. You're gonna rinse. There's a cup in the bathroom for you. You're gonna rinse about 8 times the cup. Just make sure you get the jar off. Look how white they are. Nice. Hold this here. And just throw away the mouthpiece and the garbage in the bathroom and just rinse. There's a cup on top of this. Go ahead.
So this is what my teeth look like afterwards, guys. So now we're going to compare how we started off to how it looks now.
Do you feel sensitivity?
No, not yet.
Okay. So these are calcium deposits. That's gonna be a little bit wider. Bye. Bye, guys. Sorry. So this is the calcium deposits is gonna be a little bit wider than your normal teeth, but in 20 minutes or less, it should get evened out and you're not gonna see it as much. So the bottom was 24. You was right here in between 24 and 26. The top was, I think 16. This was 16. Right now, these are not your final results. In 20 minutes, they're gonna get a whole shade whiter, okay? So right now, I would give you in between 6 and 8. In 20 minutes, you should be a 4, okay? Yeah, they look really nice. Do you feel sensitivity or no? No. Yeah, so in 20 minutes, you should be right here, okay?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe down below and like this video if you find it interesting. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about teeth whitening. So I've done teeth whitening a few times already. So today I went to go get my teeth whitened just because I felt like they were looking a little yellowish or whatever. So I'm going to give you guys some details and information on my experience and where to go and stuff like that. If you're located in New York, of course, because that's where I'm located. So I went to a location in the Bronx. I'm going to put the location's Instagram in the description bar below so you guys can go follow the page and see for yourself. I've talked about them previously in my microdermabrasion video. It's the same place. They offer different services, facials, teeth whitening, eyebrows and stuff like that. So I go there often. I go there to get my facials as well. So so the way it works is, well, the way I did it was on their Instagram page. I click on the link on their bio and it takes you to the website to make the appointment. You have to put like a $30 deposit and it goes towards the service that you're getting. So the service in total, it's $100. So I had to pay a $30 deposit and then $70 remaining once I received the service. So I made the appointment for today. So they usually call you like the day of or like the day before to confirm if you're gonna go or not. So they're located in the Bronx, as I mentioned earlier. They follow all COVID rules. You have to wear a mask. Obviously while you're in the room getting your teeth whitened, you're not gonna be wearing a mask while your teeth are getting whitened because you're gonna be under a blue light. And I'm gonna have clips so you guys can see in detail exactly how the process went. And the girl that did it, the salon is by two sisters, Kathy and Jessica. So Jessica was the one that provided the service for me. She's gonna be in the video explaining some details regarding how the process go and who she recommends that can get it done, because not everybody can get teeth whitening. She does recommend that only on natural teeth you can get your teeth whitened, and if you have like crowns or any stuff like that, she doesn't recommend it, or I don't think you can. I also asked if you're able to go to the dentist prior to getting your teeth whitened or even after. She said that you can get your teeth whitened, well, you can go to the dentist 3 to 4 days prior to getting your teeth whitened, and then go. She actually says that it's actually better that way, because if you have any plaque or anything like that, they can remove it before you get your teeth whitened. Or if you get your teeth whitened and then you want to go afterwards, you could go about like maybe like a week afterwards or so. It does also say like if once you book the service, I suggest you read the details because it also goes into that the people that are not recommended to get this. So like if you have like gingivitis, halitosis, any type of diseases like that, you know, it's not recommended to get this type of service. Also, my number one tip is if you cannot keep your mouth open for at least an hour with the retainer in your mouth, I wouldn't recommend getting this service just because you do have to keep your mouth open for at least an hour, sometimes more if you want to ask for more minutes or so, but at least an hour. I did it for an hour. So if your mouth is sensitive and you feel like you can't keep your mouth open for like an hour with the retainer, then I wouldn't recommend doing it. You know, so the way that it works is basically when I arrived there, she applies a gel. You guys are gonna see all of this in the clips, but I just wanted to explain to you guys. She applies like a gel. It's like a vitamin E. It's like to protect your gums and your teeth. She asks you if your teeth are sensitive. I'm assuming that if my teeth are not sensitive, so I don't know how that procedure goes, but I'm assuming like if your teeth are sensitive, then maybe she applies something else before. So she applies it and then she puts the retainer. And then she sets a timer, and then you're there for like an hour and some change. It's a blue light that's facing your mouth. Also, I don't know if I mentioned, the service costs $100 for an hour. Now there are other locations that they can be cheaper, but the more minutes you stay under the lights, the more they charge. I like this location because this location has one set price for one set amount of time, and even if you want more time, they won't charge you additional. Whereas other places, I know that like the more you get it, the more minutes you stay under the blue light, the more that they charge you. So that's why I like coming to this place. Also, you're gonna see in the clips, my teeth weren't like super yellow, but you can tell a difference like right away. So after you finish, your teeth are like instantly like maybe 5 shades lighter, 5 to 6 shades lighter. So I love that. Also afterwards, within like, I want to say like within the few minutes after you finish, your teeth do start feeling sensitive, especially like if it's cold outside and stuff like that. They feel really sensitive, so it's recommended for you to take like a Motrin or something like that, because you're gonna feel like that. You're gonna have random times where your teeth are gonna feel real sensitive throughout the night, only until the next day. So it's recommended to take some type of pills or something like that for that. Also, I'm trying to think to make sure that I'm not missing any information for you guys. Also when you finish, your teeth get whiter as the time passes by. So as soon as you finish, that's not the final result. The final result, it's like within like the hour or so, your teeth start getting whiter and whiter and whiter. So like that's like a good thing. Yeah, so I'm going to make sure that I provide the link down below for where I went to the Instagram, and you guys can go click on that. They're I feel like they're affordable with most of their services, or if not all their services. I suggest you guys go and check them out. And again, don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you find it interesting. Bye.